All right, you are all welcome to lecture 2 under the concept of Atwood machine. In today's lecture, I'll be solving questions on an Atwood machine. Now, the question says, what are the tension and acceleration of the system above? I explained in my last lecture that the common acceleration of an Atwood system is equals to G, change in mass, divided by the summation of the mass I1 to 2. And then I said the tension is equal to M1G minus M1A. Or you make use of T equals M2A plus M2G. So we have to find the common tension and the acceleration. So the first thing we do is we get the acceleration. So I can say the acceleration is equal to G, change in mass. Here we are taking our G to be 10. So 10 meters per second squared times the masses are 10 and 4. So the change in this mass is 6 divided by summation of the masses. That will be 10 plus 4, and that is 14. And then I can have the acceleration to be 60 divided by 14 meter per second squared. And this is the acceleration. And if you make use of the calculator, 16 divided by 14 will give us 4.3 in a decimal place. So A is equal to 4.3 meter per second squared in a decimal place. Now to calculate the common tension, I'll make use of one of these equations. So I have T is equal to mg m1a. So T now equals m1 is the highest mass, 10. 10 times the G is 10 minus 10 times our acceleration is 4.3. So I have T equals 100 minus 43. And if I subtract that, I'm going to have my answer to be 57 Newton. So this is the common acceleration and the common tension in this Atwood system. Thank you very much. I remain Ajadion. I see you guys in my next lecture.